Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for July 10th of 2025 is titled Lynds Dark Nebula 1251. So, what do we see here? Well, here we see Lynds Dark Nebula, or LDN 1251. And this is an example, as you might guess from the name, of a dark nebula. So this is a catalog done of various dark nebulae, and this is object number 1251 in that catalog. Sometimes actually known as the Rotten Fish Nebula, but it's a dusty area, part of a molecular cloud, and it is a region of star formation. It's a very early stage of star formation, and we see a lot of the dark, dusty areas scattered around there, which, as you recall, are the presence of excess material. That's where there is more material, and we cannot see the stars through that. So there is enough dust in between us and those more distant stars that they are not visible to us. Essentially, all those little particles of dust add up and block out the light from behind. Now, within the nebula, stars are forming, and we can't see those directly. However, if you could look at this in the infrared, you would be able to penetrate some of those dark areas and see the protostars as they are just beginning to form, as they are beginning that process toward nuclear fusion. And nuclear fusion in the core of a star is what differentiates a protostar, a star in the process of forming, from a full-fledged star. That is the criteria needed for something to be considered a star. Now, within this, we also see several other objects, and you can see the reddish areas, kind of blobs here, within the nebula. Those are what is known as Herbig-Haro objects, and they are again associated with young stars. They actually aren't the stars themselves, but as the stars begin to form, jets of material are expelled outward at very high speeds. When those strike the material around the star, they excite it and cause it to glow, and that's what the Herbig-Haro object is. It's that actually excited gas that is glowing from the energy from jets of material from these very young forming stars, and we can see a couple of those here in this image. Now we can also see more distant objects, and if you look here, we can actually see a spiral galaxy up toward the upper right-hand side, and that is a distant galaxy that just happens to be located in the same general direction in the sky as this dark nebula. So it's not associated with it. It is actually way beyond this, tens of millions of light years away or more. Whereas the nebula itself, only about 1,000 light years away. So we see again, we lose that perspective of distance when we look at things on the sky. It's very hard to tell just by looking at two objects whether one is closer or farther away. Now, of course, we can use our knowledge to understand that yes, a galaxy is much farther away than some of these stars here. But just looking at things, they all look like they're tied on to that great celestial sphere around the Earth. So that was our picture of the day for July 10th of 2025. It was titled Lynds Dark Nebula 1251. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.